How to fix speaker setup unknown Windows 10 error. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to search bar and search for services. Then you will find all these lists of services. In here, search for Windows Audio. Scroll all the way down till you find Windows Audio and click on it. After that, double click on Windows Audio and then click on Properties. After that, in Startup type, make sure there is automatic and not automatic delay or anything else. It just should be automatic. Then simply click on Apply and then click on OK. That's how you fix speaker setup unknown Windows 10 error. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.